So we are about to start our class of second year managing innovation on Friday 6th August 4 p.m. Okay, so let's see, there seems to be a connection issue with my computer, so let me just switch to a different network and see what happens. Please understand.
My last memory, I was chatting with you. It was great.
Oh yes, what do you want? Yeah, what do you want? What is that you're looking for? Yeah, I want to talk with you. I want to talk with you. Can you talk to me?
I love chatting with you. Let me know if you'd like to listen to a joke, a fact, or a poem.
I want to know. Okay. So I am just trying right now to configure you. Yeah, hello. Second years. So I will switch off my camera and open the file where I can see कौन है आज. किसी को कुछ पूछना है सेकेंड ईयर में बिफोर यू बिगिन? Yeah, group 3. Please start. Share your screen and start. Group 3. Is group 3 there? आलोक, ऋषभ, मोहम्मद साकिब, सौरभ, विलास, रत्नेश कुमार. कैन यू हियर मी एनीवन? यशेंद्र,
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये लोग कहाँ हैं हमारे महारथी? आलोक प्रताप, ऋषभ परमार, मोहम्मद साकिब, सौरभ विलास, रत्नेश कुमार. कोई है इसमें से? नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो भाई शुरू हो जाओ.
Sir, my group members are still joining.
तुम शेयरिंग कर लो फिर तब तक. वैसे यार मीटिंग में ऐसे बोलोगे तुम लोग? हाँ सर आ रहे हैं. प्रताप जी, या प्लीज मिस्टर Alok Pratap and group, please start.
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir. Actually, the person who have to present just joined. So he
बाबा
will present
देखो,
his
the point is you never say this all this, ठीक है? Because आप लोग ग्रुप, आप लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ले रहे हो. If it is your group work, it is your group work. You have to pay for. You have to work for the group.
Sir, it's presented.
Yeah. Okay. Great. So let's start. Group 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are three, including me, Alita, Mohammed Khalid, Kumar Khair, and Saurabh Mule. So we are group number 3 and we are working on the sixth thinking method. This theory was given by Edward D. Bono in the very first thinking method.
We cannot hear you properly.
So,
You
this-
have to use a proper mic.
Sir, I think I am audible properly.
How will you know? How you know that you were audible? Yeah. Come on.
My group members. Sir, just
ये तो पहली बार सुना. I think I am audible. You can think that you are speaking. That's fine. It's not about your volume of the mouth. It's the volume of the mic or signal from the mic. हाँ. Anyone? You start.
sir, I am audible now, sir.
थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बढ़ा सके तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Just wait.
हाँ, this is fine.
Hello, sir, I'm audible now?
This is called
Hello.
completely audible. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, sir. So we are explaining six thinking hats that was proposed by Edward D. Bono back in 1985. So this principle was basically to make the meetings or the corporate meetings more efficient. So what I mean by that, because talking about the general mentality of the human people, like people try to think in a single way, but the sixth thinking head is the way or the theory that opposes this thing and challenges human mind to think in a six different manner. So I will be explaining now benefits of using thinking head. So this is very easy and basic theorem to learn and apply in the corporate world, and the and the process
Yeah,
of
Sandeep
the
Kumar, please give me the
using
attendance.
six
Okay.
thinking head. The process of the using six thinking head is also very easy. Apart from this, I would like to explain the six different thinking heads. The first one is the blue hat. So the blue hat reflects the managing and the control of the process, and this step defines the next step and the action plan for the further goal of the meetings. So this hat is used at the first and the at the end of the process. Basically, there are six hats, so you have to use all these six hats in a chain. So every different case have a different chain to propose a solution of the or the goal of the meeting. So this blue hat is the most important, and it is used in the first and the last term. And and the second one is the white cap. So white cap basically call for the information, the facts, and it is just related to the facts. Means if you let's say I would want to give an example of a corporate meeting. Let's say a meeting is there, and the meeting should be like in the white hat portion. You have to tell just the facts only which are important for the goal of the meetings and the corporate. So this hat represents the white hat only. And the next one is the green hat. So green hat reflects the creativity, attractive solutions, and the new ideas. So basically, this is the most, I guess, innovative hat or innovative way of thinking to implement the six thinking hat. So there is some example on the screen as you may see. So we will discuss the example later after explaining all the six hats. So and now the next
Hello,
hat is
hello,
yellow hat.
hello.
Okay, okay.
I'm audible. I will explain it from here.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
So
Go ahead.
so this is a yellow hat. So in this yellow hat, we tend to view the problem from an optimistic point of view. We have suggested a plan. So we tend to think what are the advantages of the ideas. We write them down and then we move forward. Next hat, please. So this is Rishabh. Rishabh, are you there? Rishabh? Yeah, next slide, please. So this is red hat. Now we have a plan. We have their optimistic point of view. That's their advantage. Now we open the question. What do you feel about this idea? What does the gut reaction think? So someone might like it. Someone might not like it. So we don't look for a reason behind this feeling, but just our emotional reaction against it. This is the red hat. Next slide, please. So this is the black hat. Black hat, we tend to overcome and see what are the cautions and risks associated with the idea, where we discuss questions like what are the potential risks of the idea, why this idea might not work. So this main reason behind using this hat is to highlight the weakness of the idea and eliminate them. So it is to refine the idea and move forward. So once this hat is complete, what we do next is we tend to exchange all the hats, that is one person sitting in the left side, or move the hats in clockwise or counterclockwise direction. So then again we go through this process. And unless our idea is refined, this process is repeated. So person having a blue hat may next time have a black hat, and the person having black hat may have a red hat. So each person is asked to present his view in all the six different thinking methodologies. Then the idea is compiled and the plan of action is taken forward. So like we have an example here. Rishabh,
Go ahead.
can you full screen it? So see, here we have an example of coffee shop where people are getting a lot of complaints that they have to wait so long in their coffee. So the blue hat person, the person who is wearing the blue hat, will present this idea forward. So we are getting a lot of complaints from people fed up of waiting in line. So this is the main reason for blue hat. Blue hat will give this. What are the reasons? How can we move forward? This is that. Next, please. So in this white hat, the person wearing white hat will tell us what are the facts and figures associated with the problem. How many persons are waiting in line, for how much time, how much does it take for a coffee to go through. These types of thinking are based on the fact, and this establishes what groundwork we currently have with us. Then we move forward. So in this green hat, we present our ideas. How can we make the waiting time less, or how can we increase the number of coffees that can be produced or presented to the customers? That is what, like here they have suggested that they buy a new machine that can speed up the production speed. Next, please. So here we got an innovation idea that we will buy a new machine. The person wearing the yellow hat will present the benefits of the new machine, like the new machine has much faster coffee making, there are less complaints, customers will be happier, and staff will also be happier. So what works? It will work as the more number of coffees can be produced and given to the customer. So it will reduce the waiting time. So this would be given by the yellow hat person. Next. So red hat. So there must be a financial manager that may have a gut feeling that this machine would be expensive. It wouldn't provide the return that they may feel us, and the machine may or may not be able to replicate the human process of making coffee. So these are the gut feeling that a person can have, the person wearing red hat can present. Next. So this is the main thing. So the coffee presented by machine may be not be in the machine, sorry, coffee machine may not be in the current project. So, and if will the there may next question arise, will the coffee machine make any difference if the staff giving giving the customer coffee or serving the customer coffees are slow? So these all types of question would be raised by black hat person wearing black hat, and repeating this process for 3 to 4 times would give out a solution that we can come up. Okay, this is all.
Uh,
Ratnesh?
Hello, I am audible.
Yes, Alok, you're audible.
Okay. So after explaining what are the six thinking hats and what they mean and how to use in thinking hats in a particular example, I want to present two cases where we should use six thinking hats. So let's say the goal of the meeting is finding new ideas. Then how will you use six thinking hats? Yeah, we all understood. Yeah, this, that, and this happens when we use that. But how the chain using the six different thinking hats is very important and crucial. So let's say if the goal of the meeting is finding new ideas, then you have to use the hats in a following manner. Like you have to use blue first, then you have to go for the white hat, then you have to go for the red hat. These three will be always, in most of the cases, will be in linear manner. And then comes the green hat. Green hat will be in between of the all the six hats because it's very crucial as it proposes fresh ideas, alternative solutions. So it will be in the fourth place, and then again we go back to yellow, then black, and then at the end again blue. So blue comes at the first and at the last of the every chain of using six thinking hats. So this is the way of finding new ideas. And let's say you want to evaluate your idea. How good is your idea? So you have to basically think in six different manners. So that's why it's six thinking hat is. So for evaluating your idea, you have to use first blue, then you have to go for the white one, then you go for the red one. As stated prior, it always comes like this way: blue, white, and red, and then here comes the yellow hat, which yellow and black hat, which comes before the green hat. So green hat is now played at the second last, and the last is obviously the blue. So here the role of the green hat is very crucial because we are using it for the evolution of the idea. So it will be at the second last, and we have when we have to find it, find new ideas, then we will implement a green hat at the middle of the chain. So that are the two cases. I hope you all understand, all have understood the application and the use of the six thinking hat in different cases. So I think that's all from my group number 3. Thank you everyone.
इतना ही है. Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just tell me the sequence again and logic behind that.
Okay. So the sequence is like first You have to use blue, then white, and then red. And if you are searching for the new ideas, you have to use green at the middle of the chain because it gives the new idea and the innovation. So you have to put it prior to the yellow and the black head. But when you are evaluating your same idea, then you have to use the green at the you after the use of yellow and the black head to evaluate your idea that yeah, you have done enough good ideas so that your goal of the meeting should be achieved. So there is a just
So,
difference of green at using.
so you have blue, white, red, green, and then yellow and black or yellow.
Yes, sir. Yellow and then black, and at the end again blue.
And if you are not going for innovation, then where does the green come?
If you have innovated new idea or new goal achievement idea, anything. So if you have to evaluate your same idea, then you have to use green at the second last. I mean after the yellow and the black one head, so that you can evaluate that your idea is efficient or not for the problem you are solving for.
इसका demonstration दे पाएंगे?
Actually, I have read this from the web, and I have just understood the chain. Giving a demonstration of the prior for the different cases, then I would like to ask for some time because it will need because it's very. I think
So virtually it wouldn't be
it's not
possible.
that sharp.
Yes.
Yeah, we must have some time to prepare it for different cases because its application is not that easy what it looks like six thinking heads. So using it properly is totally different case. So
अच्छा, ठीक है. Group 4, do you have an example with you? Group 4,
Yes, sir.
do you have an example with you?
No, sir. We have made only six thinking hat and application.
Application मतलब?
So where it is you means for roles which it conveys. That has been discussed by Alok.
Group 2, do you have any example? Yeah, group 2, you have any example? Is there anyone from group 2 right now here? No one? Let's check it out. गोल्डन होरो भाग गया, वो तो भाग गया बिकॉज उसका नंबर आ गया. सही है यार, तुम लोग भाग जाते हो, तुम्हें सीखना ही नहीं है. एनीवेज चलो, नंबर तो तुमको कुछ मिलना नहीं है क्योंकि जो है कॉपी पेस्ट किया है. एंड नाउ लेट मी शो यू हाउ टू यूज सिक्स थिंकिंग एड्स एट द इंस्टेंटेनियस मोमेंट. ठीक है, आपका ये जो कहानी है
okay, sir.
कि भैया इट कैन नॉट बी यूज विदाउट वी नीड टाइम दिस दैट, पता नहीं तुम लोग क्या इंग्लैंड का मैच देख रहे थे, क्या कर रहे थे. हाँ जी, कैन एनीबडी गिव अस अ प्रॉब्लम एंड अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम ओवर विच वी हैव लिटिल मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. ऐसा ना हो कि प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि वी आर जस्ट gathering for facts itself, so about which we have data little bit. Anyone? कोई भी नहीं. अरे आप में से नहीं, मतलब कंप्लीट बैच में से जो भी देख रहा है. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जिंदगी में? आई एम सरप्राइज्ड. भाई संदीप,
जी सर।
किसी कोई कठिनाई नहीं है यार? क्या क्रिएटिव प्रॉब्लम करना है? कोई कठिनाई बताओ।
सर जिंदगी में कठिनाई कठिनाई है, जॉब नहीं है, सबसे बड़ी कठिनाई तो वही है सर।
अरे तो हम वही तो कह रहे हैं, कुछ तो बताओ, अभी देखते हैं उसका थोड़ा इस टोपी पहने क्या होता है। या सर, कैन वी टॉक अबाउट रीओपनिंग ऑफ हॉस्टल्स? ओके, लेट्स कम टू दैट. So the question is, should we open hostels or not? वैसे okay, I will talk about it. चलो, let's put it that. Can we open hostels or not? And so how should we think? Should we think as students or should we think as the administrative authorities, or should we think as a mess wala? Because that will change things. It's not just the problem, it's also the perspective from which you are problem. It's not just the topi, so the cap, the hat. It's all the perspective from which you are viewing it.
So administrative point of view.
Administrative point of view. Okay, let's put it that way. Okay, so let's come to that. So I personally do not agree or try to have a sequence because it's strange. So I will use group 3 because बाकी सारे तो चले गए. Group 1, अच्छा group 1 is also there. Do you have an example, Pradyuti? Sorry, Gautami.
So not like any precise examples.
Okay, then I will use your definitions to understand. What is a blue hat for?
Sir, our group 1 definitions or?
हाँ हाँ.
Yes, sir. So blue hat is generally like it organizes the whole process of these 6 thinking hats.
Yeah. So that's the point.
So, yes, sir.
Okay, so now therefore the sequence we will try to find out. So first हम कौन सी कैप पहले पहने, कौन सी कैप बाद में पहनेंगे. So first we need to get the facts right. Okay. Secondly, I will not go with emotions. I will go with benefits. Okay. Primarily because we are not looking for an innovative idea. The problem is not where to put the students. That would require an innovation. The problem is, should we open or should we not open? It's simple. 1 or 2, 1 or 0. Okay, or 0.5, 0.6, 50%, 60%, something. Okay. That's the first question. The should we open is yes or no, and if yes, then how should we open? Okay. So now coming to the blue hat is done. So we will come to the white hat. So what are the facts we have? Are we taking the mess fees from them, or sorry, hostel rent from students? First. Second, are we able to pay the bills if the hostels are not open? Because hostel maintenance is there na anyways. Okay. Hello, कोई सुन रहा है कि?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Third, we are just getting facts. That how many employees are there whose salary we are actually paying. So ये सब finance में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. Again, what is that financially and infrastructurally? If we want to open our hostel, we will require part 1. And what is the cost associated if we do not open the hostel? Like, if you know, BHU has invested in 125 classrooms, smart classrooms. You know that?
Yes, sir, but we don't know exactly how much invested.
ठीक है, अभी मैं तुम्हें ये थोड़ा ना करूँ ना एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हूँ. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एग्जैक्ट फिगर्स, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग द प्रोसेस. सो नाउ if you come to the cost of not opening the hostel, so you can see this is an opportunity cost of not opening a hospital, that hostel, that you have to install smart classrooms. So you already have lost 1 year. Okay. You have already lost 1 year. We are right now not saying कि it will be depending on the UGC guidelines. That is a simple answer. उसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है. We are just assuming we have more freedom. The government has also said कि आपको खोलना है खोलो, नहीं खोलना है मत खोलो. There are no guidelines. ठीक है. So now we have smart class infrastructure. We already lost 1 year, or there might be time involved in investing or installing the smart classes. That's one. Then there will be time to train. Okay, these are all just facts. Then there has to be resources. Like yesterday we received a notice that faculty has to provide online resources of the content. That means there has to be creation of online content, there has to be storage of online content, and there is other things which has to be done. ठीक है, ये हो गए facts. फैक्ट्स में ये भी आता है that what about those students, those who do not have a home, can we do something about this? ठीक है, अभी सब फैक्ट्स ही चल रहा है, अभी कोई हमने डिसीजन नहीं लिया. There is no decision, this is just facts. Okay, this is one line. Now I would wear a red cap now, not red cap, sorry, yellow cap. That what is the benefit? Yeah.
Sir, shouldn't we consider the situation of COVID in the facts like the white cap?
So that is the point now. That the question is, when I said what will be the infrastructure and cost required to open the institute, इसका मतलब क्या है? Which means that you have to have people who will be wardens and who will be installing kits everywhere and who will be having sanitizing atmosphere, and then they will be.
No, sir. Like the information about how many faculty or how many staff are vaccinated and how many students are vaccinated,
okay.
and current rate of COVID in the Varanasi. So
Yeah.
that
Okay.
kind of.
So I will not. I will also keep that information. So let's expand the gamut. Because if we have this information, then how will we use it? That's the question. Suppose I know how many people are vaccinated. Okay, let's put the vaccination thing in between. How many of the students are vaccinated? Can we open the hostels only for the vaccinated students or not? Can we only open the students who are twice vaccinated? Okay, what about those who are not twice vaccinated? If there is a class which has 50% vaccinated, 50% non-vaccinated, in what mode we will go for that? Because that means we are saying to people that we will have a smart class, and we have not provided all classes a smart class. Understanding? Suppose FMS has 6 classrooms. Now 50% of each batch comes up. Now it means 4 classes will be running parallelly. Okay, at least 4 or 5 classrooms. Then do we have the infrastructure to run it a hybrid mode? Because the moment we are saying non-vaccinated not allowed. Okay, or what are we going to do with first dose people? Okay, समझ रहे हैं?
Yes. Yes.
Now, what you said is also part of breaking the box. So I was coming to that later. Ki the green ideas that we were assuming that we don't have any treatment, we just have people coming to us and we have to say yes or no. Okay, but what you said is again breaking the box. So we are now assuming we can vaccinate people ourselves, or we can collect this data from the government, because actually it's a human right thing. Can you say to students that if you are not vaccinated, you cannot come to campus? Does the institute has that authority? Are you understanding that? Or students are saying yes, we are willing, but we in our place we are not vaccinated, so you please vaccinate us. What about those students? I'm not saying you are wrong. I'm just saying if we just expand the domain creativity in this way, that let's break the box, that we can vaccinate people, or we can take in the information of vaccination consideration. Understanding, Gautami?
Yes, sir.
Initially I was in the box that okay, I don't have external data, I just have a data that how many employees BHU के अंदर कितना है. Okay, so now हाँ बोलो.
No, sorry, I was just agreeing, sir.
Yeah, okay. So that way is when we are expanding the box, as I told you last time also, we have to see which part of the box we can break, which part of the box we cannot break. First we have to identify our box. Our box here was that we can have the data of BSU people and we can do whatever inside the campus. Now, I was not going into the green part, I was going to the yellow part. Therefore, the yellow part says is, okay, the green part we have done a little bit. The yellow part says is that what is the benefit of opening this? Let's put it that way. So this is again linked to cost. That cost will be saved. Faculty more be more involved. Okay, there will be less mental stress. Now on the flip side, when it comes to benefit, you also have to see the negative side. I think negative side will come in a black cap. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Black
Okay,
hat
so
is about
let's,
this.
let's forget the black cap now. Let's come on in the yellow cap right now. Okay, so I will come on the yellow cap. That if I open that, all what is gonna happen? Students can learn, research will increase, people placement will happen smoothly. I can have a campus placement completely. Okay, everything in positive line. Okay. Now coming back to again, before going to the red cap, I will go for the black cap. Ki bhai, what if everything goes wrong? Everything goes wrong means the people come here like we started, I suppose, last second year. We opened in February, then we closed in March again. You know that?
Yes.
So we opened for the second year. So फिर धरना हुआ था. So can we roll back our decision or not? What if we have to roll back? How are we going to respond to the government of India and UGC? Okay. So if we don't roll back, then what we will do? Do we have the infrastructure to support all the negative consequences? The wave breaks in. Do we have the atmosphere to put people inside the, what we say, isolation, quarantine? Okay. Because as I told you, in decision statistics also, I think I taught you statistics or no? Did I teach you statistics? I don't know.
No, sir.
So there is something called type 1 and type 2 error. So both are error and you choose to do one less and one more. You cannot avoid both of them simultaneously. You have to do one more, one less. So which sort of error you are able to digest or afford? Okay. So this is negative thinking. Now we comes to the green cap, in sense that let's break the box. What else we can do? Can we train our faculty completely that they are able to take the hybrid classroom on themselves? They don't need to come to the home, they don't need to come to the office. They can do it completely. Are they completely, can we increase their training so that they are much more comfortable in the hybrid mode, that they might invite more students from abroad also? Matlab, the course opens to a MOC, you know MOOC, the MOOC courses. They run it like a MOOC course. Okay, कि why do we need students at one place? Our assumption is should we open the hostels? Now our question changes, should we have the hostels at all at this amount of time? Why not students stay there and study at their own pace? Okay, then again the ideas would be, what about if we can have a vaccination center or control of vaccination center, data of vaccinations and everything with ourselves, and we will take the responsibility of everything. There is somebody is willing that we prepared a plan for them that you need to get vaccinated and those sort of things. समझ रहे हैं? Hello.
Yes.
And okay, so in this way you think about. Now comes the emotion part. कि भाई हमारे स्टेक होल्डर के इमोशन क्या है. So we are not feeling very nice about it, that we are not able to interact. Students are not feeling nice about it. ठीक है, that we are not opening. Some students are feeling completely what we say होता है ना क्या जो उनके ड्रीम्स होते हैं हॉस्टल के. They will have independence, they will have this and they will have that. They are completely under the control of their parents. So there is negative emotion. Positive emotions could be okay, and I think red cap does not mean negative or positive. It is just emotions. Okay, it is not thinking. Is that correct, Gautami?
Yes, sir. It's about intuitions and emotions, gut feelings.
Yeah. So students don't want to join at all. Maybe they are much more comfortable at home, and in this way, if we expand, we can expand our batch size from 60 to 180 or 120 gradually. We will go in the online mode, and they are also comfortable because they don't have to travel, they don't have to spend time, they can support their family, and then we are not responsible that much for placement as compared to them. They might be thinking of their own responsibility increases, our wardenship cost will go down, those sort of things. Okay, so people will more focus on that. Both positive and negative emotions can come into picture. ठीक है जी. परमार जी कहाँ गए? कोई है कि नहीं है ग्रुप 2 का, ग्रुप 3 का? सब चले. तो बात ये है यार, देखो अभी मैंने कितना लगाया, 15 मिनट लगाए हैं और मैं अभी भी आई हैव नॉट रन आउट ऑफ आइडियाज़. आप लोग बस हफ्ता बढ़ता ये पीपीटी मेरे ख्याल से अगर मैं गूगल भी करूँ ना तो गूगल में एक अच्छा खासा वो आता है 6 थिंकिंग हैट्स इमेजेस. तो वो इमेज दिखा दूँ मैं तो 1 मिनट का काम है. ना फॉर्मेटिंग करने की जरूरत है ना कुछ है, वो एक इमेज है. आई कैन शो यू राइट नाउ. डोंट वरी, डोंट बी स्केयर्ड. कैन यू सी द इमेजेस?
यस सर.
दिख रहा है? ये किसी को भी मैं एक को खोल के जो आप लोगों ने अलग अलग किया है, मैं अभी इसको ऐसे ही खोल के ऐसे ही पढ़ा दूँ तो मुझे पीपीटी की क्या ज़रूरत है? आप लोग पता नहीं क्या कर रहे थे 5 दिनों में. ठीक है, इतने सारे YouTube वीडियोज़ हैं इस पर, तो पता नहीं नेटफ्लिक्स देख रहे थे क्या देख रहे थे. एनीवेज, दैट्स योर चॉइस. I have nothing to say, but the point is you have to understand in digital media time expectation from students have increased primarily because they have information and time they have hand. और आप लोग 6 लोग थे, अकेला तो था नहीं, तो ना तो मुझे कुछ टोपी दिखी ना कुछ दिखा कि 6 में आपने सबने एक टोपी पहन ली हो तो काम किया हो. अभी तो यहाँ तो मैंने 6 टोपी रखे हैं, एक पर्सपेक्टिव रखा है. I can think same wear 6 caps from student perspective at this point right now. This is what you have to do. देखो भाई ग्रेड्स लोगे कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं तुम्हें आज बता दूँ. इस MI में तुम्हारा 8 पॉइंट आया, 9 पॉइंट आया या 10 पॉइंट आया, कंपनी में मैटर करेगा और ओवरऑल मैटर करेगा. एंड दिस स्किल इज़ नॉट फॉर जस्ट योर कंपनी, दिस स्किल इज़ फॉर लाइफ. ठीक है. एनीवेज मैं लेक्चर तो दूंगा नहीं इस बात पर. Any questions? Anyone?
So So I had a question related to the future presentations and the topic allocation. Like for, I just wanted to confirm one thing. For the future, we have 4 groups, and there are 3 topics. Like when I'm talking about the next week presentation, it is conceptual framework, concept of innovation, creativity and innovation, barriers to creative thinking.
Okay. Please understand. जैसे today's topic was 6 hats, so you can say there were 6 topics: hat 1, hat 2, hat 3, hat 4, hat 5, hat 6. Okay. So when I say conceptual framework, please don't break it down. I am trying to tell you what the framework should include. It should include concept, it should include barriers, it should include difference of creativity and innovation. We are not here to do a Google search. If you want to do that, let's find topic 1 and do that. So it's more about, okay, देखो यार, neither I am interested in a presentation like this primarily because information available. I only found a value add जो मुझे थोड़ा नया पता लगा था, blue, white, red, green, yellow, black, but I have to verify that also. There is a recommended sequence for the hats. Okay, so and for you people also, अभी वो PPT दे रहा है, group 3 की PPT है. It would have been much more interesting if you could have applied it. You don't take it as a learning opportunity. Anyways, so therefore treat it that way.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, that's all.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Vachsheel Singh.
Yes, sir.
यार तुम नहीं बोले बहुत दिनों से. Hello. Anyways, I'm getting a little informal. So those who want to break can go. I have nothing to say. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. You have 10 minutes. Okay. और संदीप की अटेंडेंस दे दीजिएगा.
Okay, yes sir.
कब स्टार्ट
sir,
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, do I need to create one Google Sheet like earlier?
हाँ वही बेटर रहेगा. ट्राई को बार अटैच.
Okay sir.
ये आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स के जो इंचार्ज हैं, ये प्रोजेक्ट का क्या चक्कर है? मतलब जो मेजर प्रोजेक्ट का है उनके इंचार्ज मिल गए हैं या फिर से मिलेंगे या फिर फिक्स्ड हो चुके हैं?
Sir, we have no idea.
You have no idea.
Maybe same mentor will assign the major project also.
देखो भाई,
But
I can say this to you. Last time I gave maximum 75. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Because कोरोना था, जो भी था, आउटब्रेक था, तो एडजस्ट नहीं करता. इस बार मैं किसी मूड में नहीं हूँ. तो जो मेरे से पल्ले पड़ गए हैं तो उनको तो मुझे पता नहीं कौन है. हाँ, आपके जो दूसरी फैकल्टी है वो आपको बचा सकते हैं, बट आई विल नॉट बी स्पेयरिंग एनीवन. एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो यू बेटर फाइंड इट आउट. ठीक है? मैं किसी मूड में नहीं हूँ. आराम से आप लोगों को फेल नहीं कर सकता. दैट्स ऑल. ठीक है? लेकिन 8 क्रेडिट का कोर्स है ना वो.
yes sir.
हाँ, तो काफ़ी बैठ. सो प्लीज़ बी सीरियस एंड नो बडी कैन से टू मी कि टाइम नहीं था. कल सैटरडे को मैं डिपार्टमेंट जाऊँगा. एज दिस इज द डिपार्टमेंट, इज द टाइम फॉर प्लेसमेंट प्रोजेक्ट कंसल्टेंसी, वॉट एवर यू वांट टू से. दोज हू वांट टू डिस्कस, इफ दे वांट टू, they can come, they can call, pre-book appointment, those sort of things. Okay?
Yes sir.
But I'm very serious. Okay. I don't want to waste my time evaluating a useless thing. Better give you copy को खोलनी, नाम देखो, नंबर दे दो, बस काय को कॉपी खोलनी. Why should I waste my time? ठीक है? और कुछ? चलो जी, ठीक है जी. आप लोग नहीं कह रहे तो हम ही कह रहे थे. बाय बाय.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.